Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we're delving into a crucial topic that affects many of us: toxic relationships. We'll learn how to spot toxic people, understand the impact they have on our lives, and most importantly, how to liberate ourselves from their grasp. Remember, in more severe cases, seeking help from professionals is essential. So, let's dive in. Recognizing toxic traits. Before we can free ourselves from toxic relationships, we need to recognize the signs. Toxic people exhibit a range of behaviors that can have negative effects on those around them. While not an exhaustive list, the following summarizes common signs of toxic behaviors based on psychological literature. 1. Manipulation. Toxic individuals often manipulate others to achieve their goals, using tactics like guilt-tripping, gaslighting, and exploiting vulnerabilities. 2. Constant criticism. They habitually criticize and belittle others, eroding self-esteem and creating a sense of inadequacy. 3. Lack of empathy. Toxic people show a consistent lack of empathy for the feelings and needs of others, making it challenging to establish emotional connections. 4. Jealousy and envy. They often harbor jealousy and envy toward others' successes, leading to negativity and resentment. 5. Controlling behavior. Toxic individuals may exhibit controlling tendencies, attempting to dictate others' actions, decisions, and even relationships. 6. Drama and negativity. They tend to bring drama, negativity, and conflict into situations, creating tension and draining energy. 7. Boundary violations. Toxic people disregard personal boundaries, invading others' privacy and causing discomfort. 8. Victim mentality. Some toxic individuals adopt a victim mentality, blaming others for their problems and refusing to take responsibility for their actions. 9. Deception and dishonesty. They may lie, deceive, or manipulate the truth to serve their interests. 10. Isolating behavior. Toxic people often attempt to isolate their victims from friends and family, making them more reliant on the toxic individual. 11. Conditional love and approval. They offer love, approval, or kindness only when it serves their purposes, making relationships feel transactional. 12. Inconsistent behavior. Toxic individuals can be charming and pleasant one moment, then aggressive or hurtful the next, leaving others uncertain about their intentions. 13. Refusal to take responsibility. Toxic individuals rarely accept responsibility for their actions or apologize genuinely. 14. Emotional manipulation. They exploit others' emotions for personal gain, using guilt, sympathy, or other emotions to manipulate situations. It's important to note that not everyone who displays these behaviors is inherently toxic, and some people may occasionally exhibit these traits due to stress or personal struggles. However, chronic and consistent patterns of these behaviors are indicative of toxic individuals. Recognizing these signs can help individuals protect their well-being and establish healthier relationships. If dealing with toxic behavior becomes overwhelming, seeking guidance from mental health professionals is advised. Types of toxic relationships. Toxic relationships come in various forms, from romantic partners to friends, family members, or even colleagues. It's crucial to identify which type of relationship is toxic, as this will determine the appropriate steps to take. Remember, toxicity can vary in intensity. Not all toxic relationships are blatantly abusive, but they can still be harmful. The impact of toxic relationships. The impact of toxic relationships on our mental and emotional well-being can't be underestimated. They can lead to feelings of anxiety, depression, low self-esteem, and a distorted sense of reality. It's common to second-guess yourself and your choices when in the company of a toxic person. This emotional toll makes it even more crucial to break free. Steps to free yourself. Breaking free from toxic relationships is a courageous step towards reclaiming your life and happiness. Here's a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Acknowledge the toxicity. The first step is admitting that the relationship is toxic and understanding the negative impact it has on you. Step 2. Set boundaries. Establish clear boundaries with the toxic person. Communicate what behaviors are unacceptable and make it clear that you won't tolerate them. This might involve limiting contact or distancing yourself gradually. Step 3. Seek support. Reach out to friends, family, or support groups. Their perspective can offer validation and clarity on the situation. Step 4. Practice assertiveness. Develop assertiveness skills to stand up for yourself and express your needs and feelings confidently. Step 5. Develop emotional resilience. Build emotional resilience to withstand the emotional turmoil that might arise from detaching from a toxic person. Step 6. Focus on self-care. Prioritize self-care activities that bring you joy and help restore your well-being. Step 7. Plan your exit. If necessary, plan your exit strategy, especially in cases of abusive relationships. This might involve seeking legal help or involving authorities. Step 8. Forgive yourself. Recognize that it's okay to have been in a toxic relationship. Be kind to yourself and forgive yourself for any decisions you might regret. Step 9. Professional help. In more severe cases, consider seeking guidance from therapists, counselors, or support hotlines. Professionals can offer specialized strategies for your situation. Importance of professional help. While many toxic relationships can be navigated with the steps mentioned earlier, some situations require the expertise of professionals. Therapists and counselors can provide personalized strategies, emotional support, and guidance through the process. If you find yourself in an abusive relationship or struggling immensely, seeking professional help is not a sign of weakness, but a powerful step toward healing. Moving forward and healing. As you begin to distance yourself from toxic relationships, remember that healing takes time. Surround yourself with positive influences, engage in activities that empower you, and continue seeking the support of friends, family, or professionals. Remember, you deserve happiness, respect, and healthy relationships. Thank you for joining us today to explore this essential topic. Recognizing and freeing ourselves from toxic relationships is a transformative journey that empowers us to live life authentically and happily. Remember, you have the strength to make positive changes in your life. If you or someone you know is struggling, don't hesitate to seek help. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who might benefit. Until next time, take care and prioritize your well-being.